Hey there, gearheads and eco-warriors. Today we're diving deep into the belly of the beast, or rather the underbelly of your car, to unravel the mysteries of a small but mighty device, the catalytic converter. You might not see it, tucked away beneath your vehicle. But trust me, this unassuming piece of tech plays a monumental role in keeping our planet habitable. So, what exactly is this mystical contraption? In simple terms, a catalytic converter is like a big metal cylinder, nestled within your car's exhaust system. It's packed with a honeycomb structure, coated with some very special metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Precious metals, both figuratively and literally, due to their scarcity and high value. Now you might be wondering, what do precious metals have to do with my car's exhaust? Well, that's where the magic happens, my friends. These metals aren't just there for show, they're the key ingredients in a chemical transformation that cleans up your car's exhaust fumes before they're released into the atmosphere. Buckle up, because we're about to get a little technical. When your engine roars to life and burns fuel, it doesn't just produce the energy that propels your car forward. It also creates a nasty cocktail of harmful byproducts like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and unburned hydrocarbons. These pollutants are terrible for both human health and the environment. This is where our hero, the catalytic converter, steps in. As the exhaust fumes exit the engine and flow through the catalytic converter, they encounter those precious metals coating the honeycomb structure. These metals act as catalysts, triggering chemical reactions that transform the harmful pollutants into less harmful substances. It's like a microscopic chemical factory under your car. Carbon monoxide, a deadly gas, is converted into carbon dioxide. Nitrogen oxides, a major contributor to smog and acid rain, are broken down into harmless nitrogen and oxygen. Unburned hydrocarbons are transformed into carbon dioxide and water. The invention of the catalytic converter was a game-changer for air quality. Since their introduction in the 1970s, they've been instrumental in drastically reducing harmful emissions from vehicles. We're talking about a significant decrease in smog-forming pollutants, a major win for public health and the environment. Imagine a world without catalytic converters. Our cities would be choked with smog, our respiratory health would be compromised, and the effects of climate change would be even more severe. Thankfully, these little devices work tirelessly to prevent that dystopian scenario from becoming reality. But the benefits extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide, catalytic converters also play a role in combating climate change. They might not solve the problem entirely, but they represent a crucial step in the right direction. Section 4, Performance and Price. The trade-offs of cleaner emissions. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the impact of catalytic converters on car performance. Some gearheads might grumble that these emissions control devices can slightly restrict exhaust flow, potentially leading to a marginal decrease in horsepower. But trust me, the trade-off is well worth it. Think about it, would you rather have a tiny bit more power or breathe clean air? Plus, modern catalytic converters are designed to minimize any performance impact, so you're unlikely to notice a significant difference in your car's oomph. Of course, there's also the cost factor. Catalytic converters contain precious metals, which means they can be pricey to replace. However, with proper car maintenance and avoiding things that can damage the converter, like leaded fuel, which is thankfully a relic of the past, you can extend the life of your converter significantly. Section 5. The future of clean cars. Advancements in catalytic converter technology. The story of the catalytic converter doesn't end here. Researchers and engineers are constantly working on improving these devices, making them even more efficient at reducing emissions and extending their lifespan. Some exciting advancements include using new materials, optimizing the honeycomb structure, and developing new catalyst formulations. As we transition towards a future of electric vehicles and alternative fuels, the role of the catalytic converter might evolve. But their legacy as a pivotal invention in the fight for clean air will remain undisputed. It's a testament to human ingenuity that we've developed a device that can transform harmful pollutants into less harmful substances, all while tucked away beneath our cars. Section 6. Crucial component, cleaner world. The importance of catalytic converters. In the grand scheme of things, the catalytic converter is a shining example of how technology can be harnessed to protect our planet. It's a reminder that even small, unseen components can have a huge impact on the environment and our health. So, the next time you fire up your engine, take a moment to appreciate the silent guardian beneath your car, diligently scrubbing your exhaust and making the air we breathe a little cleaner. It might not be the flashiest part of your vehicle, but it's undoubtedly one of the most important, and that's something worth celebrating.